pitch ideas based on our conversation with our clients last week. One of the ideas was a VR experience focusing on the idea of rejection. And having talking to our clients today, he liked the VR idea the most, which our team also agrees on. So starting from next week, we'll be focusing on making up prototypes for this VR experience.
VR gives us the most opportunities to make a really narratively engaging, thought-provoking creation that allows for empathy with the creature, Frankenstein's monster. And so now we're sort of getting into the process. We've divided our tasks, and I'm starting to think about the overall story beats and how each sort of individual section of our narrative is going to play out. And as part of my production roles, I'm looking into who we can work with for music composing and voice acting, and what professionals we can bring in to really add some gravity to the project.
I'm excited about we can start to do things about the VR experience. So next week I will implement scene transitioning and hands. And so if you can see the hands in the VR experience, you know you are the monster, and it's a symbolic symbol for the guest.
As an artist, I also did some concept art for the character. So yeah, really excited to be more modeling this character and see what kind of environment we can come up with.
I was working on branding, team branding, and making some prototypes for dialogue selection, UI interaction. And I'm still working on our team logo and poster. And it's kind of difficult to come up with, there are lots of approaches. Would it be better to make it abstract or more concrete? So I'm still working on it. And for the UI interaction, the VR space is really different, so I'm also doing some research about how UX and UI can be implemented in VR space.
So we're going to have a supplementary experience where guests can read through the monster's journal entries from when he first learns how to write until his ultimate moral demise as the monster. And then I'm also in charge of the installation design and coming up with a really cool sort of thematic installation that will really bring the VR and the journal entries to life and make people want to participate in the experience.
And so excited that we know where we're going, and now it's about everybody assigning the tasks, everybody having what they got to do, and then prototyping and playtesting. Because there's going to be a lot of story iterations. It's going to be a lot of efforts to finally find those moments, because the story will be iterated on. Things will change. But excited about that and knowing the direction that we're heading. So.
And one of the struggles that we face today is that my computer broke the second time for the semester. I'm currently in the leaderboard for breaking the most computer through our semester. Yeah.